Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Usha Steam Pro SI 3713 1300 watt steam iron. On the front of the box, we have an image of the iron itself. Its 1300 watt power rating is on the top right. Right here, we have three of the salient features, which include fine spray to remove tough wrinkles, self-cleaning function for longer ironing life, and a non-stick sole plate for smooth ironing. The right hand side of the box has a descriptive slogan saying pamper your clothes with steam, and we also have an image of the sole plate of the iron. The left hand side of the box has some technical specifications. The important ones include a power of 1300 watts, which we have already mentioned before. Voltage is 240 volts AC, frequency is 50 hertz. The weight of the iron is 632 grams. The dimensions are 250 by 105 by 150 mm. We also have the net contents underneath that, some manufacturing information underneath that, and right at the bottom we have some customer care information. The top of the box has a few more salient features, which include a 180 ml tank capacity, 1300 watts for powerful performance, easy grip handling, overheat safety shutoff, dry, steam, and spray ironing function, an indicator lamp to indicate power on or off, an extra long cord for better reach, and a thermostat disc for controlling fabric temperature. The back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, apart from the iron's image, which is slightly different. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of an instruction manual. This should help you understand the various buttons and functions of this iron. On the back, we have the warranty card, which can be filled out to register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have this filling cup that can be used to fill the water tank of this steam iron through this hatch right here. Coming to the iron itself, we can clearly see that it has a white and blue color theme going for it. The handle has a few buttons on it. The button on the left sends out bursts of steam when pressed. The one on the right sends out jets of water through this nozzle right here. Above that, we have a knob that can regulate the amount of steam that you want for different uses, and it can be turned to modulate that. Above that, the aforementioned hatch through which you can fill the water tank, and the nozzle through which the water can be sprayed out of. Underneath the handle, we have a regulator, and there are different materials listed out on it, so you can regulate the temperature according to the materials. There's some Usha branding on the left hand side of the iron, right above the sole plate, and there's nothing on the other side. There is also an indicator, a power indicator, right underneath the handle, and when powered on, this should light up. The sole plate is pretty normal, and as we know, it has a non-stick coating on it. There are also a number of holes on it through which the steam can come out of. Over here, we have the ISI marking and some of the electric voltage ratings on this sticker right here. The base of the iron has nothing, and the cord swivels to prevent breakage. The cord is approximately 60 to 65 inches long. The plug type is a standard 3-pin Indian plug. And that's about it in terms of the unboxing of the Usha Steam Pro SI3713 Steam Iron. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.